Hey everyone, today I want to show you my new products that are coming to the shop on March 1st of 2021. As you can see from this picture, it is my springtime collection. If you've shopped with me before, you know that my color palette is normally a lot darker. Since I am the Metalhead planner, I do tend to gravitate towards darker colors. But I got in the spirit of springtime and decided, I'm going to do something a little girly. And I am really glad I did. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the items that are coming to the shop. So if you're interested in what they are, go ahead and stay tuned and we'll get into it. All right, so first we have some 3-dot and 5-dot checklists. All of the stickers will be in the same color palette, so they all work very well together. Then we have some emoticons, great for mood tracking or just using them however you like. Kiss cut stickers for flower designs in multiple colors. And then numbers 1 through 31 with some extra dots in both blue and pink. And then for the half sheet stickers, we have some YouTube icons also in those colors. Then we have some borderless date covers in 4 different colors. You can use this over a long period of time. And then we have date covers with boxes but with decorations in them or some designs. 3 size washi, 2 of them have designs and 1 is just a solid green. But then we have a 3 size washi in just solid colors. Again, all of them are in the same palette. We have long skinny checklists. These almost fit a full Happy Planner box vertical, but you can use them however you want. These are for the classic Happy Planner sidebars or in the boxes. They extend the boxes just slightly. You get 2 pages per order for that. And they have designs and headers. Then we have some big Happy Planner washi. They fit perfectly the width of a vertical box in different designs and colors. Quarter boxes in 4 different colors, and you get a total of 20. And then quarter boxes with 5 different designs, again, a total of 20. And then lastly, you have the same check boxes as earlier, but these are for the big Happy Planner. 2 come in 1 kit, and it fits the box perfectly. All right, so now we're gonna go through items that I've already used in my planners. All right, so at the top we have the spring bucket list. It comes with a label and then bulleted items for you to check off. So in case you need some ideas, I did that for you. Some scripts that are spring related. Then we have the 1-page minimal kit for the big Happy Planner. It's also available in the classic size. It comes with a sidebar, habit trackers, date covers, 2 sets of washi, a this week and next week script, and some extra little kiss cut designs. Here we have the flowers. And this is the big Happy Planner full kit for those who want a little more. It comes with a whole bunch of things like a daily tracker, habit trackers, checklists, check boxes, deco boxes, washi, boxes that are just empty. Some have designs, some are blank, some scripts, some sticky notes. There's just a whole bunch in this kit. All right, so that's what that looks like. And then lastly, I'll show you the PP Weeks, which is also going to be a 1-page kit. I've already used it, but everything that is shown here is on the kit except for 4 icons like groceries and laundry that I don't need for this planner. But that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, so that concludes all of the new products that will be in the shop again on March 1st of 2021. As always, whenever I do new releases, I do a discount sale. So if you are interested in these items, I will leave a link down below of not only my Etsy shop, but also my Instagram, so you can be notified of when the sale is and then how much the discount will be for. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.